In every single group and every single family, there's at least one. In my case, it's me, the designated photographer. So what happens when you get back home? Everybody hits you up to send you a copy of the videos or copy of the photos. My wife wants it for Facebook, my kids want it for TikTok and Instagram, and it's up to me to then sit through my phone and share it. Now, I'm happy to do it because there's no other option. Well, yes there is. I discovered an option that allows you to automatically share your images and store them and have a backup of your photos and your videos, and it's 100% free. If you want to know what that is, don't worry, I got you. Let me show you what you need to know. And welcome to another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make tech simple. If you're into phones, gadget, apps, tips and tricks on how to, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. When I say Amazon, what comes to mind? Most people will think of that online retailer. You order something, 2 days later, it arrives at your house if you have Amazon Prime. Well, that exact same retailer has a product called Amazon Photos. Must have been a long meeting to discuss that name. So what is Amazon Photos? Well, essentially it allows each Amazon account holder where the service is available to upload 5 gigabytes of photos and videos onto that server in full resolution. Not a scaled down, not a compressed version, but in full resolution. Now, if you have Amazon Prime, you get unlimited storage. There is still a limit on videos to 5 gigs, but if you want more, you simply upgrade. And I think it's under $20 to get you 100 gigs of space. Link is in the description below. The other advantages of having a Prime account over a regular account is that in the Prime account holders, they also get enhanced searches, and you get the family vault where you can invite 5 family members so they get unlimited storage as well. In fact, let me show you how this all comes together. Right, let's start with the easy one first, which is the Amazon automatic backup of your videos and your pictures on your computer. You can either choose the little quick start option, or you can select a specific folder that you want to constantly back up, or you can select a specific file. So let me show you. I'm going to select a folder, my video folders. It confirms the destination. It says, right, when are the changes going to be uploaded? Well, I want them immediately, and I click on save button, and that's it. From this point, anything that I drop into that folder, which is a video or a photo, will automatically be backed up to the cloud. So this is what the app looks like on my Google Pixel 4. This is the Android phone. They've also got one for the iPhones as well. Now in here you got a bunch of options. Firstly, obviously you've got your gallery, right? This is going to show you what has been backed up to the cloud and what hasn't been backed up by the little cloud symbol. But the search is really awesome. So it shows you things like photos, people, places. But look at things. You can say, hey, show me only photos that have got sunglasses in them, for example. It starts to recognize object within your actual photos, allowing you to really zoom in on that good search. Now, to back things up, you can select things like individual photos. So here we go, I've selected one, and then you just click on the upload button at the top, and there it goes. You'll see a little circle at the bottom right of the photo with a little tick mark saying that that has now been uploaded. Right, if you look on the bottom right hand side, click on more, and then click on settings. You will see an option called auto save. Click on that, and when you enable that, every time you snap a photo or shoot a video clip, it will automatically be uploaded to your Amazon Photos storage. Just a big warning here. If you enable Family Vault, it means that your photos will automatically be uploaded, and people within your family group that you've shared this with will be able to see each and every one of those photos. Now, every time you enable one of them, it's going to tell you, are you absolutely sure? So think wisely. And this is the web interface. So let's upload some stuff. Click on add, click on upload folder, select the folder you want to upload, click on upload. It will ask you to confirm, click on upload again. That's 3 uploads, and it will start to upload your photos. Once that's done, you're able to view your photos differently depending if you want to see many, big, small, large, etc. on your screen. On the left hand side, this is where your filters come into play, and again, let's just select something like sunglasses. Let's put that in, and then it will go through it, and then it will have a bunch of pictures with us wearing sunglasses. So you can see it does a fairly good job at identifying glasses in the pictures. Let's do something else, like hats. Okay, well, these are all the pictures of people with hats. It's pretty freaky if you think about it, but actually cool at the same time. Okay, let's see what else we can do. So let me find a picture. Okay, so this here with Mr. TheTechieGuy himself. If I want to open up that image, I've got a bunch of options that I can do. So top right hand side, I can give it a star, so it's my favorite. I can zoom in. I've got some information about this particular image. Where was it taken? When was it taken? And when we close that, another option is the sharing functionality, which is pretty darn good. So I can share it with my friends, my family, whoever I may want. I can do it with a link, or I can invite them to be part of my family vault, or an email, or a Facebook, you know, the usual ability to share stuff. Now, when you go and edit your photo, it does give you limited functionality, but you know, it's good enough, I suppose, to make a quick edit on the fly. Bunch of things that you can kind of play with if you want to. Give your image that extra bit of pizzazz before the world gets to see it. Okay, so these are the cool people from VidCon. That is TheTechieGuy, that is Aaron that's there, there's Jack from Jack Films. So what I want to do is I want to group them all together. So I highlight them. You'll see a new menu bar pops up at the top. I can add to album, I can download, I can share, I can order prints, I can hide, I can edit the date and time, move it to trash. Let's choose add to album, and then create my VidCon 2019 album. Next up, we got places, which is obviously, as the name implies, all the photos that were taken at a specific place. Okay, groups them all together so you can drill down into that area and see what you snapped and where. Stories are okay. I don't think I've used my stories once. You can explore that, but sharing is where it's all at. This is why this app is really rad. You don't have to email your family photos anymore. You can simply create a group. I want to call it my Exploring USA Pictures, and now all I'm going to do is share this link with my family, and they can see what we are up to without me having to individually send photos to anyone anymore. What a win! Who knew all these years that we had this facility and just simply haven't used it? Let me know what you guys think. Check out some of these other cool videos down here. Hit the head below to subscribe if this is your first time here. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in those videos. Let's go.